Built in 1954 on two adjoining dairy farms, the Dandenong site began with a small, tight-knit team who laid the foundation for a lasting legacy. Around 80 to 100 people were hired locally. Many were attracted by a promise of better conditions.
Well, I finished my apprenticeship and worked all over the place, everywhere. And then all of a sudden, an ad in the paper for Comenge. I thought, yes, this is me. I went to Comenge, I got a job. I started the following Monday, I think.
The establishment of the Dandenong site provided a place of opportunity where people could build careers, learn skills, and contribute to a growing industry.
I walked in, that's the biggest place I'd ever worked at. That was an enormous place. I was overawed, but I did like it. The people I worked with were fantastic. I made lifelong friends. I've still got those friends now. So it was a fantastic place to work. I was very happy there. I was pleased to go to work every day.
Local manufacturing provides stability to the economy, supports skilled trades, and creates jobs that strengthen communities. Dandenong continues to be a vital part of Victoria's industry, building not just trains and trams, but also a future that benefits us all.
The manufacturing that's still happening is very important because there's been a loss of heavy industry in Victoria and Dandenong. You know, so it is very important that we get tradespeople and we get the businesses back where they should be.
What excites me the most about the future in Dandenong and vehicles is the new employees coming on site, apprentices, male and female tradespeople, and building not just the Dandenong local economy, but Melbourne and Victoria.
Things have changed a lot in Dandenong's 70 years of history. In the early days, safety standards were different, and every project came with a set of unique challenges. Today, and every day, safety is our number one priority.
Nowadays, health and safety is an utmost priority. We need to look after each other, making sure everyone go home safe every day.
Manufacturing at Dandenong has created a legacy of quality and innovation to shape manufacturing and rail transport across generations.
I'm very happy to work here where my father worked. We worked on many different projects over many years. I'm very proud that I can follow in my dad's footsteps to say that I've built Victoria's transport system.
Very pleasing to me to recognise that there's a continuation of trades in our family.
My son always points it out, or my daughter, like, oh, there's a train. Is that the ones? But it's good to see when they're out there. It's kind of a pride thing and feeling good about something you made or you're a part of that is out there and people are using it.
For 70 years, Dandenong has built exceptional trains and trams on the back of a legacy of teamwork, craftsmanship, and community that continues to drive us and the industry forward.
So what is really special about Dandenong, it's the people. All the generation over the last 70 years transferring their skill and working all together as one team, building the friendship and building those beautiful trains. This is what makes strong Dandenong.